ayun nga mga Bex, ayan iduduktong ko na din dito sa vlog natin kasi syempre ang Jasmine muna ang unang makakapag-upload. So, tama kayo na nababasa sa ating title. Yes, a-attend tayo ng kasal nila Jessica through virtual. Tama ba? Virtual ba tawag dun? Pero, syempre wala naman tayo pamamasahe papuntang Las Vegas at wala din naman tayong visa. Pero syempre, susuportahan natin yung kaibigan natin sa isa sa mga pinaka-special sa buhay niya, which is yung kanyang wedding. So, I love you, Jessica, if you're watching this. Thank you for everything. And syempre, ito pa lang yung kaya kong ibalik sa'yo, di ba? I mean, hindi ka naman naghahanap ng kapalit. Pero syempre, kahit paano, gusto ko rin mag-effort dahil sobrang laki ng natulong mo sa akin. And, nagsend si Kevin ng link sa amin. So, sila din nagsabi na mag-vlog kayo dyan, ganito, ganyan. So, sad lang kasi hindi naman kami magkakasayama ng mga bayut. So, nagsend siya ng link sa atin. So, ayan. Ano na po guys? 4:37 AM na ng madaling araw. So, doon is 1:37 PM na ng hapon or tanghali kasi ang kasal po nila is 2:00. So, may sinend lang si Kevin dito na link kung saan, ayan o, Chapel of the Flowers. Wait lang. Ayan, may nakalagay dito, send congratulations video, sign the guest list. So, tayo ay magja-just view wedding lang. Hala, ang cute! May nakalagay oh. Jessie Jane Absalon and Kevin Kyle Cadavis. Ceremony begins in 0 days, 0 hours, 22 minutes. So, 22 minutes na lang, ikakasal na sila. So, our story nakalagay dito. It's all began in May 2019 with innocent online exchange between Kevin from Dubai and Jessica from the Philippines. Over time, they discover common ground and grow closer, leading to a long-distance relationship. On June 20, 2020, Kevin and Jessica finally met in person, and shortly after, Jessica introduced Kevin as her boyfriend on her YouTube channel while unboxing her silver play button. Despite facing challenges in finding a new place to live for Jessica's family, their relationship strengthened as they began to build their first house, where they conceived the idea for their now thriving business, JK Sanggipsal Restaurant. Today, July 16, 2024, Jessica and Kevin have chosen to officially seal their bond by getting married in Las Vegas, Nevada, USA. Oh, ko! So, ayan. Meron dito, the live stream of the ceremony will start July 16, 2024, 2 p.m. Pacific. So, ayan yung nakalagay. Wala, sign the guest list. Ano ba dito? Wait lang, sign nga tayo. Reza, Rika Mata. Kasi andito na sila Iza, tsaka sila Ash. So, let's see. So, magkakalayo kami nilang ng mga bayut. So, tignan natin. Wait lang, guys. Ayan o, guest list, Iza Marie De La Rosa, Ash Lozano, Reza Rica Mata. Thank you for joining Jessica for noticed by the band. Also, ayan na, visit personal. Ayan guys. Dito makikita. Welcome to Jessie Jane and Kevin website. Wait lang. Here you can view our pictures and ceremony as well as stay up to date with our wedding planning. Wala, magi-start na siya mga mi. So, yan, i-view ceremony natin. Hala, nakapag ano na ako, wait lang. Paano ba to? Nakapag-view na ako. Visit personal ceremony website. So, eto na yon. Feeling ko eto na yon. Feeling ko wala nang pipindutin. Feeling ko lalabas na lang siya ng kusa dito. So, antayin natin and i-update ko kayo mamaya pag nag-start na yung ceremony ng kanyang kasal. So guys, kanina pa kami nag-aantay sa sa live video. Pero eto pa lang yung ayan na. Bakit walang sounds?
Hindi magsasawang i-doorbell lang natin pa. Mo, I love you so much. And
Tita?
you bring so much colorful into my life. Binago mo ako, binago mo yung pananaw ko sa buhay.
Oh, ang ganda ni Jessica.
And salamat sa lahat. I can be your anything. Tama ba yun? frenemy pala. Your best friend. And finally, I can say, your husband.
Oh, husband na wait lang guys ha.
I love you so much. And this is now the start ng paibagong buhay.
Oh, Mr. and Mrs. Cadavis na sila.
So do you need any of those? You can say it from. Do you have anything to say? Go right ahead. It's your turn. If you want to put the pressure is on. Exactly. Go ahead. It's okay. Say whatever language works for you.
Tigas ng ulo. ay. Baw yan.
Nagpapasalamat ako sa lahat ng sakripisyo mo.
Ay, si matabang nurse nandoon.
Family ko, sa friends ko, sa lahat ng mga taong kapalibot sa akin. Talagang ramdam na ramdam ko yung genuinely na pagmamahal mo sa akin. Talagang naipapadama mo sa family ko, sa mga friends ko. Talagang kung gaano yung kalab mo sa akin, talagang na-share mo din sa kanila. And syempre, thank you so much. Dahil ikaw, yung binigay ni God sa akin. Sobrang akong thankful and grateful sa Kanya. And sa lahat ng mga pagsubok, struggles in life, is talaga, masasabi kong napagtagumpayan ko kasama. Sobrang thankful and maipapromise ko lang sa'yo na ako lang
Ay,
ang bebe mo.
atake bakla na sa comedy bar.
Ako lang ang my only one, my one and only. Kahit anong sabihin nila, I'm here to love you. I'm here anywhere where you do it the dessert. Thank you and I love you so much.
Oh.
I'm gonna add something.
Go ahead, real.
I'll promise na lagi kong ipapaalala na inumin mo lagi.
Eh, yung gamot mo. Oo, oh, nak, tama yun.
Kainin ka ng banana. She needs banana.
Up.
I like your banana.
Totoo yun, guys. Kahit nung buhay post-college, sobrang hirap po pakainin ni Jessica ng saging. Which is kailangan na kailangan niya po.
All right, now face each other, hold each other's hands. I'm going to have you both say your I do's. Oh, that's a first. Kevin, do you take Jessie to be your wife?
I do.
Jessie, you take Kevin to be your husband? Okay.
Oh.
Remy, I need those rings. Can you come up here and give them to me? That's to me. Oh, okay, so I know you're trying not to step on the beautiful dress.
Wow! Ang ate Angel namin ang mukhang ring bearer. Ah.
Good job. Thank you. So hold each other's hands.
Ang ganda naman ni ate Angel.
Bodies facing each other. Turn your heads. Look at
Si Ate Lee nandito din, guys. Tapos si matabang nurse.
I know that person's made a pledge to somebody for the rest of their lives. They have found their soulmate. And really, that's what's happening today. The two of you are now officially soulmates. But also, when I look down at wedding bands, I see them made out of metal, which means they're very strong. And that represents the strength of your love for each other. Should the two of you ever sleep apart at night, look down at your wedding band. Your love will reach out to each one of you and take care of you. And remember, there's a circle. There's no beginning, there's no end. The love will always have for each other. So
I love the wedding dress ni Jessica, ha?
Ano ba
Oh.
ito, guys? Dito, no? Galing pa yan. Hindi nagkasya. Yeah.
Perfect. It fits beautifully. Now it's your turn. Place this on his left hand.
Kita mo.
Saya siguro kung nandito din kami lahat sa kasal niya.
Okay, we now pedestal face me. Perfect. Put your arms around each other's waist, and then put your hand under her veil. Okay, come closer. That's fine. This way, tiny step this way from your center. How you looked over there? Yeah. This. So I'll tell you when to So these candles represent you and your family and friends. Today you're coming together and officially blending your family and friends. Your first act is husband and wife. Is light that unity candle together.
Guys, kung gusto niyo magandang shot yung mismo talaga, syempre i-upload yan ng Jessbin. Panoodin niyo. So ngayon kasi ito lang yung kaya namin, umatin ng virtual na kasal ng dalawa.
Back to the center to where you were. Okay, we ready for me to pronounce you? So now, a couple of things. When I pronounce you, biggest kiss ever. You think you can do that? 'Cause the first
Biggest
time you
kiss
kissed
ever
each
kaya
other-
ni Jessica.
And everybody, I'm gonna need your help. Are we ready to get those couples? Are we ready? Are we ready? Okay, are we ready? I need your help.
Kita ba?
Everybody, I need your help.
Ayun na, kiss the bride na.
So don't worry about it. Don't worry. So everybody, I'm gonna need your help. So listen up, okay? So now, by the powers vested in me by the state of Nevada, I now pronounce you. Help me, everybody.
Pas, la. Carry yung internet na kisabay. Hulo. Ano ba yan siya? Hulo. Kung kailan ano no. Nawala yung video, guys. Kung kailan kiss the bride. Bakit ganun? Hulo. Ano ba naman yan? Yan pa naman yung inaabangan. I-screenshot ko pa. Diyos ko, nawala. Bakit ganun? Wait lang, guys, ha. Alo, hindi na ma-open yung link. Nawala yung video. The ceremony video has not been uploaded yet. Please check back shortly. Ano?
Baka sa kanila.
Baka inend talaga nila nung magkikiss na.
Bawal na naman.
Hindi ko alam. Anyway, at least nasaksihan natin. Hindi ko pa nakita yung paghagis ni Jessica ng flower. Wait lang, baka kaya pa siya. Nawala talaga yung video. Sad.
Tinanggal nila.
Not upload yet. Please check back shortly.
Nag-kiss-kiss.
Nawala. Nawala yung web. Anyway, eto na. Thank you so much. Congratulations, Jesvin. Ayan. So, Mr. and Mrs. Cadavis na talaga kayo. And mapapanood niyo din yung vlog na sinend ko. Yun yung tinutukoy ko sa intro ko, which is gumawa ako ng video greetings ng hindi alam ng Jesvin kasi hiniling yun ng isang ating fairy godmother kasi isa din siya sa mga magiging gift niya sa Jesbin. So, yun yung mapapanood niya sa dulo. So, magpakatatag lang kayo and nandito lang kami para kakapanood ko na kay Fukerat i-support namin kayong dalawa. I love you both and still waiting ako na maayos yung video para makita ko yung iba pang eksena kasi wala na talaga. Ayan o. The ceremony video has not been uploaded yet. Please check back shortly. So, feeling ko, tapos na din tong kasal nila. And, panoodin nyo na lang po sa channel ng Jesbin kung gusto nyo po makita yung pinaka full details ng kanila. And happy ako na nasaksihan ko yung kanilang kasal. Hindi ko man natapos. At least nakita natin kahit through live, through virtual lang, through cellphone lang yung wedding niya. So, huwag kayong mag-alala kasi kakaroon din naman kami ng celebration once na umuwi sila. So, congrats, Jasmine! Happy weddings and more blessings, more achievements to come, lalo na kayo na talaga in the end, diba? So, I love you both. See you soon. Ingat kayo palagi dyan and excited na kami sa inyong pagbabalik dito sa Pilipinas!
Okay, are we ready? I need your help, everyone. Everybody, I need your help.
Jessica, the lipstick, you don't worry about it.
So, don't worry about it. Don't worry. So, everybody, I'm going to need your help. So, listen up, okay? So now, by the powers vested in me by the state of Nevada,
I now pronounce you, help me everybody, husband and wife. Give each other a big, big kiss.
Hi mga Bex! Ay, bakit mga Bex? Hi sa mga seswang natin dyan. I know mapapanood nyo na to ngayon sa channel ni BNT Jessica. And kanina, ang ginawa kong vlog is para sa bridal shower ni Jessica. And this time is para naman sa kanyang kasal. So, sobrang happy ko kung alam nyo lang. And medyo naluluwa na naman si ante mo. Alam mo siya yung ikakasal, nakakainis. Pero, yun lang, sobrang happy ako sa inyong dalawa kasi syempre, isang achievement na naman, isang pangarap niyo na naman ang natupad. Dahil sa kasipagan yung dalawa and sobra akong proud sa inyo. Kayo din talaga yung nagiging inspirasyon ko and happy ako kasi isa kayo sa mga magandang taong nakapalibot sa akin and happy ako kasi syempre ikakasal na kayo, ayan na, ano na kayo, isang ganap na kayong Mr. and Miss Cadavis and finally, eventually made for Jessica talaga, ayan, yun na talaga, hindi na kayo pwede maghiwalay mga be, pero sana itong kasal nyo is ma-enjoy nyo, sana maging special talaga tong araw na to, maging maayos lang yung flow, wala man kami dyan sa inyo, pero alam kong pag-uwi nyo dito is magkakaroon din tayo ng bonding kung saan nakaset na siya. So, excited na din kami sa pagbabalik nyo. And, enjoy lang. Alam ko ilang araw na lang din kayo dyan sa America and magkikita-kita na tayo. Maging center lang si Lord ng relationship nyo and sana lahat ng pagsubok nyo, yung struggles nyo sa buhay is malagpasan nyo together. And, syempre, mas magandang mag-open kayo sa isa't isa. I mean, nagkakaroon kayo ng communication every time na may problem kayo. Kahit naman walang problema, basta maganda ka talaga is pag open kayo sa isa't isa. I love you both. Alam niyo yung dalawa. See you soon and congratulations! I love you! Mwah!